Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video this is going to be a huge Amazon haul. So I have the products here with me, so without any further ado, let's start with the video. So for the first, I have here with me this lip balm from Organic Harvest. Now this is how the packaging looks like, and this retails for rupees 199. So coming to the inner portion of it, so I have a lot of products here with me which are from Organic Harvest. So now this is one of them. Now this is the lip balm, and this looks very aesthetic. The packaging is very aesthetic. I would say you just need to like rotate it a little and you get this lip balm. Now they say it is tinted, but it looks tinted, but when you apply it, it has a glossy finish which gives the intense hydration to your lips. Again, a very good addition to your vanity, I would say. And this is also travel friendly. As you can see, it is super cute and you can easily travel with it, so there is no harm in purchasing this one, I would say. And I just love this product. It is very aesthetic and the packaging is super cute. Moving on to the next one I have here with me is this concealer. Now this one is from Insight Makeup Essentials. Now I love Makeup Essentials from Insight Cosmetics, and this retails for rupees 130. So this is in the shade 04. Okay, and it really blends very well on my skin, and this is the applicator of it. So I have already started using this one, and I love how it blends and how it covers my dark spots. So this is about the Insight Makeup Essential Ka Concealer. Moving on to the next one I have here with me is this product from Happier. Now this is like a new launch, I would say. This product is gaining a little more popularity than before, and this retails for rupees 725. Quite on a higher side, but definitely worth a try. I use it, and I mean, like, I have started using it. So all it has like two components like this, like day and night, and it really works very well. So if you haven't tried this, I would highly recommend you to try this one. Moving on to the next one I have here with me is this one. Now this one is from Organic Harvest again. Now this is their 6-in-1 brightening face wash, which has cacao plum and it is enriched with vitamin C. Again, it controls oil, cleanses, brightens your skin, rejuvenates your skin, and this retails for rupees 249. I have tried it, I love it, and in case if you wish to try this one, I would tag the link in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Moving on to the next one I have here with me is this super cute eyeshadow palette. Now this one is from Mars. This is their new launch, I would say, and it retails for rupees 299, under 300, 1 rupee less. Okay, so this is in the shade 02, and these are the colors that I get. The colors are like super and highly pigmented, I would say. So there are 9 colors in this, and the best part about this one, it also has another thing here. So it is like this. So these are the shimmers, and I just love how pigmented they are. I am super excited to use this one. So this is like one of my favorite, and entire haul, this is like one of my favorite purchases that I have made. Moving on to the next one I have here with me is another concealer. Now this is from Swiss Beauty. Coming to its shade, this is in the shade 02 Sand, and I haven't used this one, like I haven't started using this one, so I can only review it maybe like after I start using it. But right now if I see, I feel the shade would pretty match with my shade. So this is the applicator of it, and this is the cute little bottle. So this is from Swiss Beauty. I just love the packaging. I love products which have very good packaging. Obviously the application and its overall quality also matters, but when it comes, I think packaging is the first thing you see, and you know it should please your eyes overall. So this one retails for rupees I can't really find the price. Yeah, it retails for rupees 229. So this is the Swiss Beautica concealer. Okay, so moving on to the next one I have here with me is this conditioner. Now this one again from Happier, from the brand Happier, and this says that it has avocado, coconut, banana. Now I haven't used this. I don't know if I'm ever going to use this one, but if I used, then that definitely I'm going to review this product. And this retails for rupees 495. And since there are a lot of ingredients which are very good for your overall hair, I would prefer using this one. And it is also dermatologically tested and cruelty free. So definitely I am waiting to use this one. I don't know when I'm going to use it, but if I use it, I'm definitely going to review it. Moving on to the next one I have here with me is this lipstick shade from L18. Now L18 is a very old brand. Actually this brand was like when we were going to school and colleges, that time it was very famous. Right now it does not have so much of demand, but I purchased it because I wanted to try the shade. Now I wanted to try something. I have a lot of shades like in darker shade, so I wanted to try some nude shades, some a little lighter shade, mauve shade. So this is the one when I got this one, but it is not actually nude. I would say it is kind of having that mauvish kind of shade, so definitely a good collection to your overall lipstick collection. So it's never bad to purchase one with mauve shade. So this is the one which I purchased. And the next one I have here with me is again another concealer. Now this one is from Blue Heaven. Coming to this one, I don't know, I think I purchased a wrong shade for me. I think I selected a wrong shade, and this is the one which got delivered to me. So this is a chocolate shade actually, and I first thought of returning this one, but I won't, because I can definitely try some hacks with this, and also I can use it as my contour. So I'm not returning this one. This is from Blue Heaven. The packaging, you can see it's very nice, and price for this one is 170, so it is under 200. So in case if you wish to purchase, you all can purchase one. But yeah, I got a wrong shade, but I'm definitely going to try some hacks with it. Moving on to the next one I have here with me is this sunscreen from Organic Harvest again, and these retails for rupees 495. Coming to it has SPF 60, and again Kakadu Plum and Chia Seeds. It also has matte finish, and it is water resistant. So again, I'm yet to try this one, so let me just show you all the swatch how it is. And it really has matte finish, I would say, and definitely I would recommend you to try this one from Organic Harvest. It is 100% organic. So this was about our sunscreen. Moving on to the next product I have here with me is again this shade. That is, now this one is from the brand Dazzler, and it says lip color all day, and these retails for rupees 200. So this is how the packaging looks like. Now let's just swatch it, guys. How do I open it? I'm quickly going to the shade, and this is how it looks. So this is a kind of a nude shade, and this is in the shade DLC028. So this is the applicator, and this is how the packaging looks like, the bottle of it. And this is the shade, which is highly pigmented, I would say, and I just love. I wanted some nude collection in my lipstick kit, so this is one definitely added. And as I said, it retails just for rupees 200, so definitely a must have. Moving on to the next one I have here with me is this gel. Now this one is from Organic Harvest. Again, there are a lot of products, as I said in the beginning, from Organic Harvest, and this is the aloe vera gel. Again, I haven't used it and I'm yet to use it, but I'm quickly going to swatch it for you. So let's get started with it. So this is how the gel texture looks like, and aloe vera gel is actually very good for your skin overall. And initially I was using the Himalaya one, and this is my second tub for a gel kind of collection, so definitely I'm excited to use this one, and it really gives a smooth finish. So yes, this one retails for rupees, again this one retails for rupees 475. Again, a little on the higher side. The Himalaya one is actually cheaper, but again this gives a smooth finish, so definitely a worth try. And the next product I have here with me, and the last product actually which I have here with me, is this shade. This is the lip shade, again from Matte Lip Ultra Smooth Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 22 Real Nude, and this is from the brand Swiss Beauty. So this is how the shade looks like. I love the applicator of this one. It is so slim and it just gives you a matte kind of finish in just one stroke. So, and finally I am done with my haul. So these were the items that were purchased through Amazon, and I really enjoyed doing this haul. So if you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Also, you stay tuned as in when I upload the videos, because I can see a lot of people haven't turned on their bell icons and they are not getting notifications of my videos. So please hit the notification bell icon to stay tuned as in when I upload the videos. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.